Are you looking for a number bonds within 20 worksheet? Well, look no further, because here at Twinkl, we're here to help all those who teach. And this fantastic addition and subtraction butterfly worksheet is just what you're looking for. This worksheet is a great way to help secure your children's understanding of number bonds within 20, and is great to use as part of a Minibeasts topic. To complete this activity, your children simply need to take a look at the addition and subtraction calculation on the butterfly. Once they've worked out the answer, they then need to see what colour goes with that number. They then colour that part in using the correct colour. This activity is a great way to assess your children's understanding of number bonds within 20. It could be used as part of an independent activity during the lesson, or you could give it as an additional activity after they've completed their work. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this addition and subtraction butterfly calculation worksheet. And remember to go and check out some of our other lovely resources on the Twinkl website. And don't forget to subscribe to our Key Stage 1 YouTube channel for more great content. And I'll see you next time.